Welcome to another video. Thanks for hitting that play button. Today we're going to show you a tip of what to do for your AquaHot system to ensure that you don't run into the same issue that I actually ran into and make your AquaHot system better operational. As you can see, this hose right here that's actually going into the AquaHot system, this comes up here and actually goes to your overflow tank and where you actually put in your coolant. You can see the color of it and the discoloration of it and the two spring clamps that are actually in here. What happens is this hose actually becomes brittle and will break right here, as you can see, and start leaking. This will cause serious problems. We're going to show you today a simple fix. It's a 5-minute fix and will prevent you hours of headache with this type of hose. Here you can actually see that the hose has been removed. The reason you don't want that style hose in there is because it cannot stand up to the heat. Here you can actually see the hose once it was removed. If you notice right up here, it used to be clear. Now look at it, and as closer it gets to the AquaHot system, it actually heats up and disintegrates. So what you need to replace it with is actually a heater hose that's automotive style that is prepared to come up and deal with the antifreeze and the temperatures. You replace it with this one time and guess what? You are done. And it's a $3 fix. You can get this at Advanced Auto or AutoZone. Get 2 foot of it and put it to your desired length. Use regular hose clamps as shown in the picture. Show you what it looks like once it's done. But you can now see that's 2 foot of hose. It actually goes back toward the back just a little bit, but I wanted to have some extra. Put it on with the hose clamps. It's a quick 5-minute fix and will save you several hours worth of headache later. Hope this video has been helpful. It's a quick tip for the AquaHot systems on any of the RVs. Make sure you do away with that clear hose, as it's not automotive and it's definitely not antifreeze friendly, and it will break up, harden, crack, and cause several leaks. So be sure to get that fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you guys on the next one, and remember, safe travels.